Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy and today I'll be unboxing and setting up the new AlgoLaser laser cutter and engraver machine. This one is the DIY kit MK2 10W. If you're looking for a laser machine that's beginners friendly, affordable and versatile enough to create a variety of projects, this might be the perfect one for you. In this video, I'll show you everything that comes in the box, guide you step by step through the assembly and setup process, and test it out on some projects so you can see it in action. Let's dive into the unboxing and get started. It comes with the complete instruction manual, materials so you can start testing the machine, laser protective glasses, and these are the pieces to assemble the machine. I already have them all out and ready to assemble it. All of this comes in the box. The air pump comes separately. I'm going to show it to you. It comes with the instruction manual to make it easy for you to connect it to the laser machine. The honeycomb platform also comes separately. These two items are very useful with the laser machine. Now that I already showed you what comes in the box, I'm going to go ahead and start with the assembly. I might not be talking during the assembly, but I will number the steps to make it easy for you to follow along. Also, I will be playing music in the background. Now that we are already finished with the assembly, we're going to go ahead and connect the machine to the computer. Turn on the machine, and first it's going to ask you to connect the Wi-Fi. Select your network and follow the prompts on the screen. My machine is already connected to the Wi-Fi, but right now I'm going to connect it to the computer using the USB cable. There are 3 programs you can use with this machine: Lightburn, AlgoLaser app, and the Laser Garble. Right now I'm going to be using the Lightburn. Now, if you don't have access to a computer to use any of these software programs, or if you're simply looking for an easy way to create projects, you can use the AlgoOS operating system. This allows you to send cuts or engraving directly from the AlgoLaser screen. It works just like a phone. I'll demonstrate that in a moment, but first let me show you how to complete the process using Lightburn. Open the program. Now click on Devices. Find my laser. Next. And here is the laser. Now add device. You can name it here. Next. Next. And finish. Select it again. Click OK. We already have our machine connected to the software. Now we're ready to start creating. Now that we already connected the machine to the software, we're going to start with the first project. I'm going to be cutting some text. I'm going to show you how to insert the design. Go to File, then click Import. Open the folder where you have your design, select it and open it. This one is an SVG file. Resize it to your liking using the size bar above. Then we're going to set the parameters. Select the image, then go to the left and select the layer. And since this one is going to be a cut, you're going to select line. If this one will be an engraving, you will have to select fill. Now let's type the parameters. I'm going to be cutting 3mm basswood, and the parameters are 500 speed, 100 power, and 1 pass. Let's place the material on the working area. This is the basswood that came in the box. Now we're going to adjust the laser using the focus assist. This little tool came in the box. Now let's go back to the computer. Now that we already placed the material, we're going to press here on Home. Then we're going to press on Frame. And we're going to do this until we align the design on the material. Now it's framing. It framed it a little below, so I'm going to move the material a little bit to the front, and I think now it's perfect. Now I'm ready to start cutting. Now that the design is already aligned on the material, we're going to press start. And let's go to the machine to create the first cut. While it's cutting, I'm going to show you how to do this process using the AlgoOS operating system. Now for this process, we're going to need a USB stick to save the design. I have this one, it's the same one that we're cutting right now. I have inserted a USB stick on my computer. Now I'm going to save it over there. You can save it either on PNG or SVG format. I'm going to save mine on SVG. I created this design on Inkscape. If you would like to use this Christmas design, I invite you to download it from my blog. I'm going to link my blog on the video description down below. I'm going to insert the USB stick where I saved the design. Then I'm going to press USB disk on the screen. Now press where it says USB disk. Select it again. Select the image. Click on Engraving. Then click on Materials. And there you're going to select the material that you're going to be working with. This is plywood. Then there you can change the parameters, power, speed, and passes. When you finish with that, just click Processing. If you're ready for your machine to start working, click on Start. That easy. And it's ready. I got a perfect cut. I love it. I'm going to use it to personalize a Christmas door hanger. The text was very thin. I thought that it was going to break in the process, but it did great. I'm going to paint it white to make a Christmas decor. I'm going to show you really quick. I created all of these cuts with the AlgoLaser machine. And as you can see, I already painted the circle with a darker color and painted the text with white. I'm going to use super glue to glue the text on the circle. It's turning out beautiful, and this is just an example of what you can create with this machine. Now I'm going to go ahead and test the engraving. But first I'm going to import the design or image. I'm going to engrave this image. Also, I'm going to create a cut. I'm going to insert a circle and I'm going to resize it to 4 inches. I'm going to create a coaster. I'm going to place the design inside the circle. I'm going to make sure it's well aligned. I'm going to change the color to the circle to blue using the color palette below. So the blue is going to be the cut and the black is going to be the engraving. Then place the engraving line on top. Then select Fill and change the parameters to 9000 speed, 100 power, and 1 pass. Then select the blue layer. Since this one is going to be a cut, select Line and change the parameters to 500 speed, 100 power, and 1 pass. Make sure you do the engraving before the cut. Now place the material on the working area and click on Frame. We're going to align the design on the material. Already aligned, now click on Start. It's ready and it did great. Like this, we can customize cutting boards, signs, coasters like these ones, etc. I also did an engraving on coated metal. These little cards are perfect to create unique, personalized business cards. And it's ready. The only thing I need to do is to clean it with a dry paper towel. And the card will be ready. And that brings us to the end of this video. I'm going to link the AlgoLaser machine in the video description down below. Today I showcased just a few examples of what you can create with the AlgoLaser 10W laser cutter and engraver. From making a festive Christmas door hanger using the cutting feature to designing a custom coaster with both engraving and cutting, and even engraving on coated metal. The possibilities are endless with this versatile machine. Whether you're crafting for fun, creating personalized gifts, or exploring new projects, this laser engraver offers so much potential. I hope this video inspires you to unleash your creativity and try something new. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.